Welcome back, viewers. Our continued focus on Dr. Manmohan Singh's last journey is continuing. Remember, former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's last rites will be held with full state honours today. But at the moment, the live visuals on your screen are his mortal remains, which are being taken to the AICC headquarters. At the AICC headquarters, top Congress leaders from the Gandhis, Rahul, Priyanka, Sonia, to others, they're all present to pay their last respect to Dr. Manmohan Singh. As we were telling you, viewers, we are continuing to track Dr. Singh's last journey. My colleagues are joining us live on the broadcast. Stage is live at the AICC headquarters. Isha is also joining us. Apologies, Niyamika is live from AICC headquarters. We also have Isha, who is tracking Dr. Singh's last journey. I'll go to you, Isha, first. Dr. Singh's mortal remains being taken to the AICC headquarters. The nation paying him a teary farewell. The Congress leaders, obviously top Congress leaders at the AICC headquarters, from the Gandhis to other, the nation paying tribute to Manmohan Singh. Take us to, first of all, through the visuals coming in and the journey as it's going to be, Dr. Singh's last journey today.
Right, Meenakshi, and on our frame, on our visuals, you can see that this is the convoy of the former Prime Minister of India. This is, you can see that Army, Navy, CRPF and police personnel are coming with are walking alongside the convoy. In the truck, Mr. Manmohan Singh's family is present, his wife is there, and you can see we are moving towards AICC. That is where his body will be placed for the public to pay homage. And you can see here that the number of people there are several people who have gathered here, and that speaks volumes of the legacy that he has left behind, and that speaks volumes about the mark that he created despite being a man of very few words. And he was the one who would talk about how education is the only way to bring India forward, to bring India out of darkness, and that is what he practiced as well. In fact, several videos have now gone viral of his conversations with Sushma Swaraj in the parliament, where she was the LOP and he was the Prime Minister, and they would have a very interesting dialogue. They would make for very interesting conversation despite being and while being very polite to each other. So they set a precedent, and Manmohan Singh set a precedent with his attitude. And despite the fact that he is the leader of the Congress party, the BJP has also paid massive respects to him, and you can see that he is being cremated with full state honors. The Prime Minister yesterday visited the Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Manmohan Singh's residence yesterday and paid his respects. But not just the Prime Minister, but people from other political parties as well, from the Aam Aadmi Party as well, were present here. And the Congress, from where our colleagues are also reporting from, we've also now just reached the Congress party. And breaking inputs right now is that Manmohan Singh's convoy has reached the All India Congress office, and you can see here on our visuals, you can see that this truck, and it is going to be inside the All India Congress headquarters, and that is where it will be open for the public to come and pay their respects to Manmohan Singh. Manmohan Singh was a man who is widely respected across political inclinations, across political parties, across the globe. He was a man who came from a very humble background, did not have any backing of sorts, made his life on his own, studied his way through the top, and he was a man who was a professor, so a very simple man, a man who preferred to travel in his Maruti 800 when he had the convoy of a Prime Minister, and that speaks volumes about the man that he has been. You can see here on our visuals, you can see that this is the former Prime Minister's body being taken into the All India Congress Committee headquarters. You can see that several people have also gathered here to pay their respects, and more than that, several officers, CRPF personnel, Army, Navy as well, who are here. They're making sure that the safety and security of the family and the mortal remains is not compromised. And inside the AICC headquarters, all Congress bigwigs are currently present, and which does include Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, and of course P. Chidambaram as well, who was the former union minister. You can see the number of people who have gathered here, and that speaks volumes about how well respected he was as a leader. And not just as a leader, he was a man who was respected for the person that he was. He worked hard and he continued to make a mark in Indian politics despite never raising his voice. In fact, he was also very available to the press and reporters. Currently on air, you can see live visuals of Manmohan Singh's convoy going inside the Congress.
Exactly. So Manmohan Singh's convoy has reached the Congress headquarters. That's where the body is going to be kept in. Finally, after that, the final journey is going to commence shortly. We have, Niyamika, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Top Congress leaders are present at the Congress headquarters, Niyamika, from Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi to Priyanka Gandhi's paying their tribute to Manmohan Singh. Congress President Kharge and other top leaders also present. End of the day, obviously, he was one of the tallest leaders of the Congress party, the nation, and obviously all the Congress Carter, including the bigwigs of the Congress party, gathered at the AICC headquarters to pay a tribute to Dr. Singh, isn't it?
Well, yes, indeed, and you can see that in the visuals as well, that how the top leaders of the Congress party are currently lined up here at the AICC headquarters, which includes the CPP chairperson, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, as well as the Congress president, Mallikarjun Kharge. Along with him, it is the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. The general secretaries are also here, which includes Mr. K.C. Venugopal, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, former Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot can also be seen here at the AICC headquarters. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, Deputy Chief Minister Mr. D.K. Shivkumar is also here. And now I would also like to urge my camera person to pan the camera and show you the visuals that how the convoy has reached here at the AICC headquarters. These are the family members of Dr. Manmohan Singh who are at the front of this convoy. All the top leaders are also waiting here at the AICC, and just now the mortal remains have also reached here at the AICC headquarters. The top Congress leaders are also waiting patiently here. You can see that as Mr. Jairam Ramesh can also be seen here in our frame, and apart from him, Mr. K.C. Venugopal is also there with the convoy. He is walking along the family members of Dr. Manmohan Singh. Along with him, the former Union Minister Salman Khurshid is also being standing there as a. You can see that the family members of Dr. Manmohan Singh are in our frame, as the CPP chairperson is Sonia Gandhi is meeting the family members of Dr. Manmohan Singh. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge is also there. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are also going along with them as they are going inside the AICC headquarters, the same place where the mortal remains of Dr. Manmohan Singh will be placed, and all the Congress workers, all the top leaders of the Congress party are going to be there to pay their respect, to pay the homage to Dr. Manmohan Singh. As the entire country is sad today, you can see in the visuals as well that how from the top leaders to the common worker of the Congress party is also waiting for his or her turn to visit and pay their respects to the mortal remains of Dr. Manmohan Singh. The convoy has just reached at the AICC headquarters, and now 1 hour time is being given to the Congress members to pay their homage. And I would also like to ask my camera person to show you the visuals here that the truck has also arrived here, in which the mortal remains of Dr. Manmohan Singh has been placed here, and just in a few minutes from now they will be entering here in the AICC, as all of the arrangements have already been done. The arrangements is basically overseen by the Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal, who is making sure that there is no such kind of problem which can be faced by the family of Dr. Manmohan Singh, and that is the reason why the entire path is also being made clear. There is no one who is being allowed to stand here in between. Even the media is also being asked to get aside so that proper space can be given to the truck where the mortal remains of Dr. Manmohan Singh is being placed. As just in a few moments from now, the truck will enter at the AICC headquarters. All of the leaders, all of the Congress workers are waiting here at the gate only and you can see that it is here now. It is here at the AICC gate. The convoy is entering as we are also showing the visuals of the AICC headquarters as the security personals are also being entering the AICC, and the truck is going to be here any moment now. The family is already gone inside as you can see the visuals. You can see the visuals that the mortal remains of Dr. Manmohan Singh is here. It is being covered with the white flowers as you can be seen that how the mortal remains are being brought in to the AICC headquarters of the former Prime Minister of Dr. Manmohan Singh.
You're right, the body has been brought in to the Congress headquarters. The last journey is going to begin shortly. The nation is paying tribute to Dr. Singh. Obviously, we can see that beeline of the top Congress leaders, from the Gandhis to other top Congress leaders, Kharge and others who have come there to pay a tribute, their last tribute to honor Dr. Manmohan Singh and his legacy. Niyamika, also take us through, what happens next, because obviously the last rites are going to be conducted today. It's going to be the final journey also, which is also going to begin shortly. The body or the mortal remains are going to be kept at the Congress headquarters, and post that the final journey is going to begin.
Well, yes, the last journey of Dr. Manmohan Singh has begun now. Now, the mortal remains have arrived here at the AICC headquarters. Now, 1 hour time has been given to all the common workers of the Congress party, as they can come here at the AICC headquarters to pay their respects, to pay their homage to Dr. Manmohan Singh. As of now, you can see in the visuals that how the top Congress leaders, including Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Salman Khurshid, P. Chidambaram, Jairam Ramesh, all of these leaders are now following the mortal remains of Dr. Manmohan Singh, which is being taken by the convoy, as it is now going to be placed here at the AICC headquarters, where 1 hour time will be given to the people to go inside to pay their respects to Dr. Manmohan Singh, because since morning a massive crowd has been waiting patiently outside the AICC headquarters so that they can get a chance to go inside and to pay their respects to Dr. Manmohan Singh, because each and every member of the Congress party, not just the Congress party but for the entire country, it is a very sad day. They are also mourning on the death of the former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, because of the contribution which he had given to the country, not in terms of the economic growth but also for education, for the poverty. That is the major agenda of Dr. Manmohan Singh, not just as the Prime Minister but also as the Finance Minister. You can see that the General Secretary, Mr. Randeep Singh Surjewala, the Lok Sabha MP, is also being present here, as Dr. Amar Singh was with Randeep Singh Surjewala, as they are also now going inside to pay their respects to Dr. Manmohan Singh, as the Congress party is basically saying that he was not just the Finance Minister, not just the Prime Minister, but also a guide, a mentor for the entire Congress party, as that is also being mentioned in a letter which was being written by Mrs. Sonia Gandhi yesterday. She had also said that we have not just lost a colleague, not just a former Prime Minister, but she has also lost a brother, a guide, a mentor, who was with her in the entire journey, in the entire political journey, who had guided her for making some tough decisions as well, who was the one who had taken these tough decisions for India's growth, not just in terms of economy but for education, to promote the youth of this country. All the policies which are being given by Dr. Manmohan Singh, that will be remembered by the entire country, as you can see in the visuals as well that how the people are currently waiting here. That clearly shows that what kind of legacy he has left behind in the country, because now all of these people who are the family members of Dr. Manmohan Singh, they are also going inside the AICC headquarters. They are also going to be there with the top Congress leaders to pay their respects, to pay their homage to Dr. Manmohan Singh, who will be remembered in the history of our country as a man of a few words, but his work, his contribution for India's growth will always be remembered in the history of our country.
Absolutely. Talking about the legacy of Dr. Manmohan Singh, I mean, he is obviously the pioneer of the economic reforms in our country. But talking about his last rites, which are going to be conducted at Delhi's Nigam Bodh, the mortal residents have reached the Congress headquarters. Live visuals are coming in. Dr. Singh's family also present. Niyamika, take us through what's going to happen next. He's going to be accorded a state funeral. What happens next? His body reaching, mortal remains reaching AICC headquarters. Top Congress leaders going to pay tribute to Dr. Singh, and then what next?